Good afternoon. I want to talk about social media. What is social media? As structures made up of people or organizations. How can social media be used as an educational resource? Can be used to present short videos explaining a topic. Interesting facts. Mark Zuckerberg created Facebook to entertain his fellow college students. The original name of TikTok is Douyin. Example, people use social media more time and can interact in videos. The use of social networks is very easy for young people. Ideas. Teach more the use of social networks. Teach to respect the opinion of others. Create animate educational videos. My opinion. Respect for other people's opinions. Create a peaceful community. Thus, it would be possible to know the ideals and knowledge of their communities. Young people should be trained to make the most of social media. Social networks are not only intended to entrain users, but do this then knowledge.